Hello, my name is Rick Wood with Nsk Precision America. I'd like to welcome you to the Semicon show. Even though there's a recession going on, there hasn't been a recession in our technological development here at NSK. So over the last year, we've been investing in new technologies and building our technological base. We've launched a new mechatronics division, and our mechatronics covers, what we do is we combine the mechanical precision products along with motors and electrical and our special environment products. So these are great products for the semiconductor industry and all industry in general, but I'd like to take you around and give you a tour of our booth. This is one of our newer mechatronic offerings. In the semiconductor industry, we have a lot of applications in places where people need to move things up and down. We have lifter units, heaters that need to go up and down depending on to move and heat up wafers, and then we have what's called a pin lift. These pin lifts pick product up and bring them into the process chamber at the right height. So NSK is able to make a custom designed lift according to the space constraints inside your chamber. So we know that space is at a premium, and so we can use our products to devise a mechanism that will lift and minimize the amount of space that that product or that actuator takes up. What we have here is our Nsk Ps Motor. The PS motor is a permanent magnet motor. The encoder on the motor has 2.6 million counts per revolution. That encoder gives you some very fine indexing capability plus high speeds and very high precision in positioning. Both inner rotors and outer rotors are available, but the precision and the speed that these can offer are quite good. This is called our new PN 4000 style motor. It's a high torque, low profile motor. What it does is it offers a very high level of repeatability and positioning capability, but it also has quite a bit of rotating torque and overturning moments. So we're just rotating this platen as a demonstration, but the precision and the accuracy and the repeatability of the unit is actually quite superior. We're also experimenting and working to develop new Ethernet protocol controls to allow the motor to be controlled through an Ethernet system, an Ethernet network, giving you a little bit more capability of failure analysis and understanding the state of the motor during the operation of the motor. This is the Nsk monocarrier. It's a high-speed actuator. What we're showing here, typically a monocarrier is got a 5mm, a 10mm, or a 20mm lead. This is showing the 20mm and 30mm lead, and we go up to a 60mm lead capability. The idea is we can accelerate this carriage without a high rotating speed for the linear guide or for the ball screw. This gives a little bit higher speed capability for fast applications. This is our smart actuator demonstration. What we're showing here is the integration of the actuator with the motor itself. The motor is from a company called Cool Muscle. What it allows is daisy chain control in through a PC program. Very easy to use. It gives us very high speed, good accuracy, good repeatability, but also linking the motors one to the next is very easy on the Cool Muscle architecture. This is a demonstration of the highly corrosion-resistant self-aligning ball bearing series. We're showing here is our spaceship technology, NSK Special Environment Technology. The ball bearing is actually able to operate underwater and in a condition that has very little lubrication. We're showing some plastic balls, different metal rings, ceramic balls, and ceramic inner and outer rings for the bearings. When you get into wet environments, that's one of the most difficult applications for a bearing to survive in, and NSK has figured out a number of different ways to make this application survive. What we have here is demonstrating our EDFO and diamond-like coating on our ball screw. The EDFO is a coating that allows a linear guide or a ball screw to exist in a high-temperature vacuum environment. We're also showing many of these products are used and assembled in the clean rooms, and so we're showing the packaging and the capability of offering actuators and packaging and products that go inside clean rooms. The clean room actuator actually has some vacuum to pull the dust outside of the actuators to prevent the dust plume from coming and blowing up into the air and contaminating the clean room. The clean room actuator is good to 1.2 meters per second in speed and can work down to a class 10 and sometimes better environment. As part of our Spacia products and Spacia bearing technology, we can incorporate both the ball bearing technology along with the EDFO coatings. So like in this case we have a ceramic balls with steel rings. We also have ceramic rings and ceramic balls that we put on EDFO coatings, and that's a fluoride coating that allows us to operate inside a clean room environment. So we have many different ways to take care of any kind of tough lubrication environments, corrosive, water, vacuum, high heat. Any kind of the toughest bearing solutions, the toughest bearing problems that people face, NSK has a very substantial and robust solution for your application. I'd like to thank you for seeing our booth here at the Semicon show. We wish you good success in your business. We thank you for stopping by and seeing our products. And if you need any more information, you can see our website at nskprecision.com. Thank you very much.